Hi guys. The starting level in Candy Crush Jelly is 4036, and that's a purple monkey level with ties and licorice and 2 screens. I finally have my boosters back on track. I hope it stays that way because life just works best with day 1 on Mondays. So I'm extremely happy. We just got back from church. It's good not being in COVID jail, laugh out loud. I'm going to do something for a bit, and then we're going to go to lunch with my brother's family. Welcome back to the vlog. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. I had a great time with my brother's family, and then we went shopping. I didn't get anything except a shirt for my bear. You heard that correctly. I was looking for specific shoes that I saw 2 years ago when we were shopping on my birthday, but I didn't see them. I didn't get them because I needed new braces at the time. And now I cannot find them. Go figure. Maybe they will be available again this summer. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm about to go chill with my grandpa. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So school has been cancelled because it barely snowed. I think there was some snow in the hills. But it wasn't that much. Maybe I'm wrong. They rarely canceled school when I was little. That's because we had a superintendent who was from Montana and he thought that we were fine until it was like 2 inches. So yeah, anyway, so I haven't been on my desktop computer much, so I'm going to go get on my desktop. Plus, the tablet is dying. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So last night, it snowed, but it didn't stick, so that sucks. Today is March. March is Cerebral Palsy Awareness Month, which means I am posting a CP chat every Wednesday. So the first one went up today, go watch it after this video. I love educating people about CP because not a lot of people know what cerebral palsy is. Cerebral palsy awareness has been a major reason why I'm on YouTube. I was tired of people not knowing what it is. So that's why I make videos on 2 channels. Crazy on Wheels is supposed to show day-to-day life. and I forget to vlog out and about. But I'm trying to remember to vlog when I go somewhere on my tablet. Obviously that has been difficult to remember. But yeah. And Kendall 36 is just to sit down and talk about life. So I'm going to go get on my desktop computer, and that's all, folks. Hi guys, I'm hanging out with my niece today. We have her overnight for the first time ever. So this should be interesting. The soul event is ending tomorrow. I only got one character. The actual souls in the movie are in the Kingdom Pass. I am not paying $20. Although if I bought the Kingdom Pass, I would have more diamonds because they give you 50 diamonds multiple times in 3 months. I don't spend money on games. So I'm stuck with earning diamonds the old-fashioned way, working hard. I'm so old-fashioned. Instant happiness isn't worth going broke over even if it's so much easier. Oh well, so it's raining, at least it's not snowing, although I wouldn't mind. Anyway, I'm going to do something, and that's all, folks. Hi guys, the ending level in Candy Crush Jelly is 4050, and that's a green monkey level with licorice and 2 giant piles of fish. Baby girl did amazing. I'm sorry I cannot show her, but her parents don't want her on YouTube, rightfully so. I know I showed my little cousins, but it's a completely different world now. There are a lot more creepy people online now. And I'm just trying to keep my niece safe and happy. So yeah. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thumbs up and subscribe and check out my Instagram. And that's all, folks.